এটি পৃথিবীব্যাপী পরিচিত আরও অনেক অনেক বৈশিষ্ট্যের জন্য। Let's see the Tower of London.
Kaylee, I am the Community Partnerships Producer here at the Tower of London. We run a community access scheme where people from the local community can come visit for free.
Why should they come and visit the tower?
You should come and visit the tower because we're the home of the crown jewels, we have the ravens and we have all this.
টাওয়ার অফ লন্ডনের এই দুর্গে ঘুরতে ঘুরতে অনেক কিছু দেখবেন, কখনো পেয়ে যাবেন কবি, শুনতে পারবেন কবিতা এইরকম।
Poet from 1773, and I'm here in England because the Countess of Huntingdon is going to help me publish my book of poetry, and I'm here at the Tower of London because I'm collecting untold stories of women in history. Wonder from whence my love of freedom sprung, whence flow these wishes for the common good, by failing hearts alone best understood. I, young in life, by seeming cruel fate, was snatched from Afric's fancy happy seat. Such my case, and can I then but pray others may never feel tyrannic sway.